money, the individual, the nation state. These are all ideas and concepts beyond the human experience. If you try to work this out from first principles, if you try to figure this out by yourself, you couldn't do it. You have to be brainwashed into believing these three things. If someone from the past, maybe 1,000 years ago, were to come today and you would explain the concept of money, individual, and nation state, the person would be like, wait a minute here. This means that you're all slaves. Okay? So now the question then is, where do we get these three concepts from? What you will learn in this class is these three concepts come from a revolution in human thought called monotheism. The one true God. This idea, monotheism, forever changed the course of human history. And it gave us these concepts of money, individual, and nation state. Monotheism is such a powerful idea that it turned nothing into everything. Okay? That's what you will learn in this class. We will learn about monotheism, and we will discover how it created money, individual, and the nation state, and it basically created the world that we live in today. Okay? All right. Any questions?
Is Christian like monotheism?
Excuse me?
Christianity is like monotheism.
Okay, yeah, so there are three great monotheistic religions, right? Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. What I will show you later on is it's basically the same religion. Yeah. All right. Okay, so I don't want to give you too much information, okay? Because it's a lot to process. But I want you guys to remember the concepts. Money, individual, and nation state are all powerful concepts that are embedded into everyday life. You cannot escape it. Okay, you've been brainwashed into thinking that they all exist, when in fact, they actually don't exist. And that's how power works. What power is, okay? What power truly is what we call alchemy. Alchemy, throughout human history, was the pursuit of turning lead into gold. Okay? Lead into gold. Okay? Nothing into everything. That's what alchemy was. And maybe in science class, you're taught that alchemy is this fake science. It's a pseudoscience, and it did not work. What you will learn in this class is we achieve alchemy. Okay? We turn nothing into everything. We turn lead into gold. Or that's what power is. Power is the capacity to turn nothing into everything. Power is the capacity to make you believe that money is valuable, that the individual can lead to happiness, that the nation state exists. That's what power is. Okay? And as a result, today we live extremely miserable lives. Okay? So you've been taught to think that, oh, life just gets better and better. What you will learn in this class is actually, nope, okay? And what's really important is you will also learn in this class that this was an accident. Okay? This is just an accident. It's an accident of the human imagination. It's because we didn't know what we were doing that we created this system. So what you will also learn is that if you're able to control the human imagination, you can use it to create a new system that allows for eudaimonia, or the flourishing of the human intellect.